Hello students. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how an LED could be set to blink using a switch. First, we need to open a new packet tracer project. Then, go to Network Component box, select a single board computer, also called SBC, and drag it onto the blank space. Similarly, drag and drop an LED and a switch. Now, we're going to connect the SBC device and the LED, by using the custom cable, which is under Connections in Network Component box, and choose D0 as the port. Follow similar steps, to connect the switch with the SBC as well. Rename all the equipment as you wish. Next, double-click on the SBC device, and it will open for you a new window. Go to the Programming tab. Delete the Blink program to reprogram it. Select New. I will name the project as Blinking LED with Switch. Select Python as the template, and click on Create. Double-click on the file, main.py, and type the program. Now, let's run the program to see if it's working. We can see, the LED starts blinking, when the switch is switched on, and stops blinking, when the switch is switched off. Therefore, our program is working well. Thank you for joining us, and hope you all got a good idea on how to blink an LED with a switch, by using an SBC. See you again with another tutorial.